Hi guys, I will be explaining how to decorate your first cookies with royal icing. Making your Seville cookie dough, which is just a sugar cookie dough without the egg whites. Chill in the fridge for 2 hours. Roll out and cut dough into 12 egg shapes. Brush with egg yolk and bake in the oven at 160 Celsius for 12 minutes. For the royal icing, make an outline consistency and a flood consistency. I flavor my royal icing with marshmallow essence. Outline your egg and then zigzag in the center. Allow this to set. This prevents cratering when filling the cookie later. Now use your flood consistency and fill the cookies I like to fill from the edges inwards to the middle. Let them dry for 2 hours. Some people use a fan or a dehydrator to help this process. Now color some royal icing brown and thin it out with water, or you could use chocolate and coconut oil to thin out. Flick the brush over the eggs, giving the speckled egg effect. These are great to make a day or two ahead of your Easter celebration. Keep in an airtight container. If you want marshmallow covered cookies and filled with passion fruit curd, then watch this next video.